company. Today I want to introduce our first time 1000 liter liquid digital mixer for you. So you can see the machine behind me is the mixer. So first, what is the function of this machine? It has three functions. The first one is mixing. You can see the top mixing, and the second one is the homogenizing, and the third is the heating. You can see this is the platform and the stairs. So let's talk about the mixing. So this is the mixing motor. It is better Siemens brand. And also if you want to change the Siemens motor or the ABB's motor, and we also can do it. And this part is the speed reducer. So inside of the machine is the mixing panel. And you can see, please note these small details. This is very near the wall. So it can make the material mixing the best. So this main pot is 1000 liters, and you can see the details, and it has 3 layers. It's made of stainless steel 304 and stainless steel 316. So the first layer and the second layer is stainless steel 304, and the the material part is stainless steel 316. And this is the electric box. So the brand of this electric box is the Galaxy. And this is button control. And if you want to change the PLC touchscreen control, so we also can do it. What kind of the products can this mixer produce? Usually speaking, it can produce the liquid and some like the shampoo, the hand sanitizer, the hand soap. And let's talk about the homogenizer. So you can check, this is the homogenizer, and it can mixing the material more delicately. And this is the discharge pipers. And then this is the some pipers. It used to collect the steam heating boiler. And next, we talk about the heating method. Generally speaking, we have 2 types of the heating method. The first one is the electric heating, and the second one is the steam heating. So if the mixer is below 500 liters, we will suggest the client choose the electric heating. But if the mixer is over 500 liters, we will suggest the client choose the steam heating. And we